What's up, everybody? It's the Pirate coming at you. I'm in Blarisville, Georgia, and we're just down here at a town picnic and gathering. They got fireworks coming on tonight, but this place is beautiful. This is the Mills Creek Park, and there's a river that runs through here. I'm going to show you some footage from here. This is really the small town vibe that we just don't have where we're from. So being up in the mountains and seeing this is incredible. I hope you're all having a fantastic 4th of July. I'm gonna post a few things here, a little hodgepodge, and I hope you enjoy the show. Awesome little river running right through the middle of this park. Bridge up there, kids are having fun, building a dam. There's my kids. Even free snow cones out here, barbecue too, so we're definitely going to be hitting that up. Now there's a whole bunch of canopies and that up on the other side, a bunch of things going on. This is kind of down in the park for the kids. There's bounce houses on the other side here and that. And then we'll be watching fireworks up on the hill up there tonight. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. We're finding stuff already. Up here on the upper field, you got kids playing, little cornhole, throwing a football around, barbecue, snow cones. It's a beautiful park. Very cool. Smokers are doing work up there. So the greatest thing about here is the whole thing's put on by the community. No cost to anybody. Hot dogs, hamburgers, barbecue, snow cones, sodas, the whole shooting match. Everyone's waiting for that barbecue guy to open up, but pretty exciting stuff. And just beautiful, stunningly beautiful out here. If you ever make it out here to Blarisville, Georgia, this is Meeks Park. And it's beautiful. Bathrooms are air conditioned, brand new, real nice building up there. It's just a great area. Took a little walk across the creek there. And over here we got a little water wheel house. A little trail comes down the creek here. I guess there's another parking lot over there. But it looks like it opens up, gets deeper down there. Beautiful area. We got a little wet, a little rain. Love it though, it's beautiful. What's up in the tree?
I got this up in the tree and then I pulled it down.
Oh, is it a lure?
Yeah.
Nice. Good find, buddy. Love it out here. I could live here forever, I think. Beautiful. And this was after having some free barbecue, which was fantastic, let me tell you. Yeah. She's a couple snow cones deep. Yeah, only 2. Where else can you go get an old-timey tomato sandwich? That's what they call it. And I was so excited because I love them. Look at the size of that tomato. Oh my gosh.